morning everybody. Dito kami ngayon sa dealer kasi gabi na natapos. Mamaya na lang. Ayun, tapos na yung ingay. Air kasi yung guys. Sa air yun, may binuksan lang si Mr. sa baba. Then, dito kami natulog kagabi dahil gabi na natapos. Hindi na kami nagbiyahe kagabi. Punta sana kami sa truck stop pero gabi na tapos yung road pa ng kalsada kahapon ay basa dahil umuulan siya kahapon talaga. See you later sa truck stop. Magbabiyahe na si Mr. papuntang truck stop. Yeah.
Head north, then make a U-turn. Make a U-turn, then turn left.
Why the GPS said make a U-turn?
Turn left, then turn left.
Are you going to put fuel?
You've arrived.
No.
I'm gonna see what they have.
I like around here because it's close by to stop here. Close by to store.
How about here?
It's okay too. Oh my god, 8 to 10 days. 8 to 10 days, honey? My gosh. Zero balance, honey. 8 if you wait 8 to 10 days. No load, no work. No load, no income for 8 to 10 days. Truck shop siya guys. Naghahanap siya ng truck shop. Kasi nga kailangan niya ipaayos to. Iba kasing inayos nila kahapon sa ibang truck shop, dealer shop. Pero yun na nga yung nasabi ko sa last video ko na kailangan nila ng wala silang software daw para sa mga transmission ng ganyan. Yung software kasi guys, parang diagnostic siya para malaman kung ano yung diferensya ng truck para ma-fix nila at meron bang parts na kailangan bilhin. Doon lang sila titingin sa computer para malaman talaga kung anong diferensya ng truck. Tapos na kaming kumain guys. Ayan si Mr. busy. And then busy lang si Mr. sa mga tawag-tawag sa mga dealer. Mac and Volvo dealer. Ayan, papasok na naman tayo sa tindahan guys. At meron tayong gagawin. Sana makahanap siya ng marunong magayos niyang truck sa kanyang truck. Ang hirap kasi dito, merong isang dealer pero gaya ng sabi ko, wala siyang time for this week. Open what?
Hold on.
Did you fix something?
I'm trying to fix this.
Alright.
Go there.
Oh my god, there's a big hole.
Just go back there.
Tara, kain na tayo ng McDo. Ayan, chicken salad, tsaka chicken burger sa akin. Tapos with the french fries and soda kasi combo kasing binili ni Mr. Nagigising lang nito ni Habs. Pwede siya ng pagkain. Let's eat guys. Ayan, this is it. Lettuce, tomato, and may konting mayo. Is it mayo, honey? This is not grilled, right? This is like fried.
No, it's good.
Oh, okay. It's much better. Mas gusto ko yung grilled chicken. Like Wendy's. Masarap din yung Wendy's. Guluhan si Mr. kung anong gagawin niya. Tatambay ba kami dito ng another week o magkuha siya ng load? I don't know. Gulong-gulo ang isip namin ngayon. Lalong-lalo na kay Yabs. California laws?
Yeah.
Why is that? Because you are a California resident?
If the only way is I have to buy my own authority.
Or you can buy an authority, honey.
There are a lot of agents that sell you authority.
Only California? State? Only California?
Yeah.
Why?
I just don't get it. I mean, it's not the land style, it's just the...
California law. Wow. So you need to buy an authorization,
Yeah.
but that's beginning next year.
Yes. About
Effective
like $4,000.
next year. So effective next year, January.
Yeah.
Those are requirements to all drivers, United States.
All California resident drivers, honey. All
Oh.
California resident drivers. If you're a owner, if you're a company driver, it's okay.
Oh, okay.
If you are a independent driver, it's okay.
Mm.
But if you're working for like Landstar
If you have
and
an own
leasing your
business.
truck to the companies
Mm.
like Arthur or Schneider or
Any other big companies?
any other big company, you leasing your truck, you
Mm.
cannot pick up load from California unless you make yourself independent. You are not with Landstar, you are not with Arthur, you are not with Schneider, you are independent. You have your own
Authority.
license plate and your authority, you can pick up load them. But if you like me and others that they lease their truck to big companies, you cannot pick up load in California anymore.
I don't know, I'm sure
So
may
it's
reason
California
dyan.
law, what I'm supposed to say.
Yeah, I'm sure there is a reason for
Unless
that.
I go to Nevada and change my address there and get a driver license from Nevada.
Grabe ang California, ha? After how many years they are driving? It's bagong batas daw ng California, guys. Hindi na makakuha si Mr. So, what is that now? If you don't have an authority, so you have to get, for instance, if you stop in California, so if you find a new load, so you must find in different state. You must find a load outside California.
Yeah.
Wow. Tumawag kasi yung opisina, guys. Yan, kausap ni Mr. Yung nga sinabihan siya ng ganyan. Bagong batas that is effective next year, January. Where you can buy an authority, yan eh.
Huh?
Where do you can buy an authority?
There are agents. They sell insurance, authorities, things like that. You call them and then they fix you up. All you gotta do pay money and that's it.
Walang magawa kasi yun ng batas eh. Kailangan pa bibili ni Habs ng authority. Meron pang how many months? 2 months? Almost 2 months na pwede pa siyang kumuha ng load from there. Hindi na siya makakuha, guys, ng load unless if you have nga meron kang mga requirements na gano'n, yung napag-usapan namin kanina. Walang magawa, no choice. Yan ang batas eh. Anyway, guys, ayan nga, kanina mainit siya, ngayon biglang maybe because it's already it's still early, little early, biglang nagkunting cloudy siya. And ingat kayo, guys, kasi naririnig namin sa news na this week or next week 50% daw chance na uulan dito ng snow sa Pennsylvania or maybe around here, northeast. And it's almost full now, the lot. Kano biglang nag-cloudy siya. Lumipat kami ng pwesto kasi yung katabi namin kanina, ang ingay ng hindi makatulog si Mr. Ang ingay ng, ano ba tawag niya? APU? APU, honey?
APU.
As in A as in apple?
Yeah.
APU. What's the meaning of APU?
Auxiliary Power Unit.
Auxiliary Power Unit? APU? Ingay kanina, hindi siya makatulog. So anyway, hindi ko alam, guys, kung ilang araw kami dito. Kay Mr. lang talaga yung decide yan, yung decision yan, sa kanya lang talaga. So if tatambay kami dito ng hanggang next week, kasi wala siya nakitang dealer. Walang nakikitang dealer si Habs. Meron man, but busy sila this week and kailangan pa daw next week. Dami daw truck na nagpapaayos. Walang magawa. Ewan ko lang ito. Baka mamaya biglang magbabiyahe kami kasi nakakita siya ng load. Pwede naman i-drive tong truck, kaso lang may kunting may problema. Baka breakdown kami sa daan o hindi natin alam. Iba kasi yung inayos sa shop kahapon. Ayan na sana hindi to ulan ng snow this week or next week. So, ingat po kayong lahat dyan. So, I have to end my vlog. See you next time, hopefully. Bye, everybody!